Hello.
What's up? So today we've got a lovely little situation in store. We're getting Calvin's SR swapped S13.
It doesn't run though.
We're gonna fix that.
I'm gonna try to.
We'll see. Hopefully.
Hopefully. Because that is just gonna sit here for a while.
It's real fun. Oh, this is in the curve.
Man had a damn car towed from his own place for no reason.
Whole lot of bullshit. It's because my tag was expired.
Government always in somebody's business.
Oh God.
So you gonna tell us about the car?
It's a piece of junk. Well, it's an 89. I bought it from the original owner 2 years ago. I'll send John pictures of it and put it up in there. But it didn't run for 2 years. Pulled it home, drained the tank, cleaned the tank, new fuel pump, new slave and master cylinder, and I was driving it since. Picked up a SR swap March of 21, then started swapping it 2 years ago. Put the motor in, last December. And then it's been one problem after another after that. So hopefully we'll figure it out.
Hopefully.
What it's like owning a drift car. Forever broke.
I don't even put money in the car and I'm broke.
Good.
I could go lower. I could go lower. My exhaust will hit before I go lower though.
Let's get a full pop dog of that hood.
Are we working on it today?
Yeah. You wanna work on it today? I got all day, buddy. Unless you got something to do.
Wow.
That's the old me. I was a little racer with all my red hoses.
Listen, man, red's the best color.
That means it's high horsepower.
Exactly. Red.
Dude, we only need two.
It got a motor in it.
I need 2 clamps in the and right here. That doesn't always make something good from the top. Little air bracket to the top of the horse.
Nope. Nope.
You ain't gamed on your phone? Fuck! See. Gonna put the what on?
Okay, that's not coming through there. Pick it back up. What are you doing?
Struggling. What's it look like, buddy? God, you need to put the bushing on.
I'm working on it.
Be one with the bushing.
GoPro too. Whenever I
Yeah, that'd be freaking primo. All right, so Calvin's been here for 7 days, 6 hours, and 23 minutes.
Basically.
So let's hear it. Fingers crossed.
You may have to play with these numbers.
It's
What?
We'll have to cruise in sometime too.
Yeah, man. We can call everybody.
Thank you, John, for coming out.
I gotta go home. It's cold.
Mom got supper ready.
I'm tired. That's certainly doing a hell of a lot more than it was.
So with that being said, this is the ending to this video. We kind of was hoping that car would run, and so did Calvin. But we had kind of got to the point where that harness was so bad. I'm not downing Mega Squirt. I know a few people that like it. I know a bunch of people that, including myself, I don't like it. I don't like that you have to pay for certain access to the software, whereas Haltech, it's just native. You don't have to buy in little packs or whatever, and the software's so much better. So what he did was opted to go with a new Wiring Specialties harness that was already pinned and all that for a Haltech Elite, as well as everything that he's going to be using. Currently waiting on it to come in. I think it's like a 2-3 week wait period, and going to do a video, of course, installing it, as well as getting it running. Hopefully going to actually have a first start video of it. But with that being said, we've got a bunch of other projects that we're going to be working on, including the Kooky S13. We've got the SR mostly put together for it. We've got the guy's son who has that black S14. We actually got it up and running, and they let us paint it, or we're going to be painting it soon. Currently waiting on paint for it, and it's going to be a fun little project, and going to do quick how-tos on it, as well as like a full time lapse of that. We've actually got another LS that we've acquired that might be decent. The last LS we've got for our Skidbilly car was pretty bad. I'm not going to drop names, but it's getting to the point now where maybe we'll get a good LS at some point. It seems like every one we've gotten so far out of the 3 has been a complete waste of time and money. We'd like to do a fun LS build. I've never built an LS car, but we've got a bunch of stuff coming up. We've got spring break bash coming within I think 45 days as of this video airing, and my car is not even ready. Runs, but we're going to go ahead and paint it and get the kit ready and do a bunch of other stuff with it, so be looking forward to that video. The people who follow me on Facebook knew how last year was literally a crunch time. But with that being said, again, thank you guys for watching, and we look forward to having you come back and check out the rest of the videos. Peace.